Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto directly from your bank account. Now, whether you want to buy Bitcoin, USDT, ETH, and so on, I will show you how you can do that from your bank account in this video. So I'll show you everything you need to know. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important part of this video. Now, I'm sure some of you are aware that there are some countries where you can buy crypto with your debit card or your credit card, like Nigeria. And also, even for P2P, there are some countries that you can do P2P, that you can buy crypto with P2P on some apps. So, for example, Nigerians can do P2P on Binance and some other crypto apps as at the time of making this video. So I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto if you want to do it directly from your bank account. Now, the app I'm going to be using for this is the Bitget app. Now, the Bitget app is one of the top crypto trading apps in the world right now, and it is safe. You can use it to trade your crypto, buy crypto, sell crypto. You can use it to invest in crypto. You can use it to earn passive income with crypto. There are different ways you can earn money with crypto on the Bitget app, but I'll be getting to that later. And also, Bitget is currently doing a promotion where they are giving their users between $5 up to $120 for free. I'll show you how you can get it at the end of this video. So if you want to learn about the promotion and how you can get that, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, let me go straight to how you can buy crypto directly from your bank account. Now, the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you create a Bitget account with my link in the description of this video. So I have a link in the description of this video that you can use to create a Bitget account. Now, once you create your account and you download the app and you log in, on the home screen, you see where you have P2P right here, where the arrow is pointing to. Now, just in case on your own app, you don't have P2P right here, what you just have to do is just click on more right here, where the arrow is pointing to. So once you click on more, you see where you have P2P, where the arrow is pointing to. So that's it right here. So just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will bring you to the P2P page on Bitget. Now, the next thing you want to make sure you do is that make sure that where you have NGN, where the arrow is pointing to right there, make sure that it is showing your local currency. So if you're from Nigeria, make sure it's showing NGN. So if you are from any other country, make sure it is showing your local currency. So to check that, just click on it. So once you click on it, you see different local currencies right here. So just search for the one that is from your own country and pick it right there. So for me, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll leave it at NGN. Now, the next thing you want to do is to click on buy right here. So if you are buying crypto, you click on buy. If you are selling crypto, you click on sell. So again, you can buy directly from your bank account and you can sell your crypto right here and get your money directly to your bank account also. So once you pick buy, the next thing is to pick the crypto you want to buy. So you can see right here, you can buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy ETH, you can buy USDC, and so on. There are different cryptocurrencies you can buy right here. So for me, let's say for example, I want to buy USDT. So I'll pick USDT right here where the arrow is pointing to. After you've picked the crypto you want to buy, the next thing is to enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency. So how to do that? You see where you have this limit right here with the drop down arrow beside it. Just click it. Once you click on it, enter the amount of that crypto you want to buy in your local currency. So let's say I want to buy USDT worth of, let's say, 10,000 Naira. I'll just enter 10,000 Naira right here. So I have 10,000 Naira entered here, right? If it's 50,000 Naira, you enter 50,000 Naira. If it's 100,000 Naira, you enter 100,000 Naira. So let's say, for example, for this video, I want to buy, let's say, 50,000 Naira. So I'll just come right here and enter 50,000 Naira. So this 50,000 Naira, yeah. Make sure it is in your local currency. It is very, very important. So once you've done that, click on confirm right here. Now, the reason why you're doing this is to bring out the different people you can trade with within that range. So these are the people that you can trade within 50,000 worth of USDT with right here. So after you've entered the amount, the next thing is to pick the payment method. That is, how are you paying? So you click on where you have payment method right here with the drop down arrow. So once you click on it, you pick all payment or bank transfer. So for me, I'm paying through bank transfer. That is, I'm paying from my bank account. So just click on bank transfer right there. Now you can see where you have merchant ads right here. Now we advise that if you're a beginner, you pick merchant ads. Now this means that you're only going to be trading with verified merchants on Bitget because that is the safest thing if you're a beginner. If you're not a beginner and you're already used to the P2P page, you can go ahead and pick someone you can trade with. But I'll still show you more ways to pick a trusted person to trade with on P2P. So for a beginner, I would advise you to click on these merchant ads right here. Like I said, it is not compulsory, but to be on the safer side, that's just the reason. Now, right here, you see the different people you can trade with right here in the range of 50,000 naira and the people who you can pay through bank transfer. Now, the next thing you want to be checking is to check the number of orders and the percentage of completion. So you can see right here, this person is named P2P. And right here, this person has done 1,518 orders in the last 30 days, which is a lot. And out of that number, this person has completed 99% of the transactions. So that means this person is trusted and will easily complete your transaction and release your crypto once you make payment. And right here, you can see this person is selling 1 USDT for 1,588. So you see for this second person right here, this person is named Moon Resources. And this person, in the last 30 days, has done 124 orders and has completed 95%. But you can see it's showing unavailable right here. So this means that you can't trade with this person. And the reason why it will show unavailable for some people is that means that maybe that trader has some requirements you need to meet before you can trade with that person. So this means that I don't meet that requirement. That's why it's showing unavailable. So if you keep scrolling down, you see different people that you can trade with. Now, another thing you need to check before you select the person you want to trade with is to check the quantity. Now, you can see that for this first person, the quantity the person has for sale is 17 USDT. Now, you might be saying that, oh, why is it now showing the person as an option when I want to trade 50,000 naira worth of USDT? Now, you can see that the person has put limit as 5,000 to 198. That's why the person is showing as an option. That means that I can't buy 50,000 naira worth of USDT from this person. So look at the second person too, 11 USDT. Look at the third person, 19 USDT. Look at the fourth person, this one has 182 USDT. So that means I can buy 50,000 naira worth of USDT from this person right here. So I'll be trading with this person for this video. And this person in the last 30 days has done 1,733 orders and has completed 99% of those trades, which is actually good. So if I want to trade with this person, I'll just click on buy. And once you've done that, there are two ways you can enter your amount right here. So you can enter with crypto and you can enter with fiat. So if you enter with crypto, it means that just enter the amount of crypto you want to buy from this person. So remember, we are buying USDT. So right here, I'll just come to this place and enter the amount of USDT I want to buy. But no, I want to enter it in fiat. I want to enter it in my local currency. So I'll just come here to fiat. So if you want to enter it in your local currency, you come to fiat. So right here, I'll just enter 50,000 naira because that's the amount of USDT I want to buy. So if you are from another country, enter the amount in your local currency. I hope you understand. So once you've done that, ensure that this is on bank transfer. Very important. So you can see right here, it has also showed you at the top, right? It says pay within 15 minutes. So you must make your payment within 15 minutes. So once you've seen everything, so you can also see right here, the amount of USDT I'll be getting is 31.45 USDT. And then you can see the advertiser terms. Now, it's also important to check this. So you can see the person says, drop your contact. If I don't respond within 2 minutes, call this number. So the person has put his or her number right there that I can call in case the person is not responding within 2 minutes. So once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on buy USDT with 0 fees. So one thing I didn't mention is that you can buy through P2P with 0 fees. You're not paying any fee at all. And that is one of the advantages of buying through P2P. So I just come right here and click on buy USDT with 0 fees. And on the screen right here, you can see the order has been generated. Proceed to make payment. And you can see my time is reading already. So you can see I have just 14 minutes and some seconds left. So you just see, just right here, you make sure you confirm all the details right here. Confirm the trading amount, the price, the quantity, everything. Make sure you confirm it right here. So once you've confirmed it, just click on next. Now, right here, it will show you the account details of the person. So it will show you the bank account name, it will show you the bank name and the bank account number. So what you have to do is just go to your bank app and transfer the amount you've specified to the person. So for me, I'll be transferring 50,000 naira to this person right now.
A few moments later.
Now, within just 1 minute, I've been able to transfer the 50,000 naira to this person. So once you've done that, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on paid. So the next thing is just to be waiting for the person to release the crypto. So again, I'll be getting 31.45 USDT.
A few moments later.
So you can see right here, this person has released the crypto. So what you can just do to see your crypto, just click on where you have view assets. So to bring it to your assets page, and so to see the crypto you've just bought, just click on funding. So you go to your funding wallet. So I click on funding. So you can see I have here 31.45 USDT. Now, after buying your USDT, if you want to now use it to trade, you need to transfer it from your funding wallet to your maybe spot trading wallet or your futures wallet or anything you want to use it to do. So let's say you want to use it to do futures trading, you need to transfer it from your funding wallet to your futures wallet. So to do that, click on where you have transfer right here. And then you can see from spot to funding, but we are doing it from funding to futures. So firstly, you switch it so that the funding will go up. So you click on this switch icon right here. Once you click on it, you see funding at the top. And at this bottom right here, you change the spot to futures because you are transferring from funding wallet to futures wallet. So you can see this is your USDTM futures. Now you are trading with USDT. So you click on USDTM futures right there. And then you can see the coin you are transferring is USDT. So right here, you enter the amount. So once you enter the amount, if you want to enter everything, you want to transfer everything, instead of entering the amount, just click on all right here. So if I click on all right there to show that I'm transferring everything I have in my funding wallet to my futures wallet. So once you've done that, click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. So let's go to the futures wallet to check. So this is the futures wallet. So you can see I have the 31.45 USDT right there. So if you want to go ahead and use it to trade, go ahead and use it to trade right here. And also, I'll be making a tutorial video on how to do futures trading on Bitget very soon. Bitget is one of the best apps for futures trading. So if you have a futures trading account and you want to learn how to do futures trading on Bitget, make sure you turn on the notification bell on my channel. I'll be showing you how to do that very soon. Also on Bitget, you have trading board that can help you to trade. I'll also be testing it out. I'll be doing a challenge very soon where I'll be trading with the trading board for 7 days, 14 days, a month, and so on. So you can see how much you can possibly make from this trading board. So in case you don't have a Bitget account, and you don't want to miss all of these things, make sure you create a Bitget account with my link in the description of this video. Now to the last part of this video, which is to show you the current promotion Bitget is doing to give to their users between $3 or $5 to $120. So you can get as high as $120 as a user on Bitget. How do you do this? So you can see on the screen, it says here that Africa Crypto Squad campaign share $15,000 in USDT. So Bitget is currently giving out $15,000 to their users right now, and the promotion is ending in the next 16 days. So you still have more than 2 weeks to participate in this. Now, what do you have to do? Let's scroll down so as to see the rules. Now, there are different ways you can participate in this. You can join as someone who wants to refer other people, or you can join as a normal user. Now, let me explain. So for the first one, you can see promotion A, refer, trade, and share $10,000 in USDT rewards. Now, number one says share your referral link with your family and friends. So what you just have to do is go to the app, copy your referral link, and share with people that is allowed. Make sure they register with your link on the Bitget platform. And number two is that you get 1 USDT when your referral signs up and completes the identity verification on Bitget. And moreover, signing up and completing your verification on Bitget is simple and straightforward. It takes less than 5 minutes. So you send your referral link to people, let them create through your link, and you get $1 for every referral. Now, number three says your referral also earns 3 USDT reward when they trade at least $5 worth of crypto on whether convert, spot, or futures. So if the person trades at least $5 worth of crypto, they get $3. And for this, you will also get $2. So you can see. So you are getting money and the person you are referring is also getting money. And you can see right here, rewards are capped at 120 USDT per referral. So that means that the highest you can earn from this is $120. So I said earlier that they are giving between $3 to $120 for everyone. Now, the second way you can join promotion B, register, trade, and earn a share of 5,000 USDT. That means that number one, you register an account and complete your identity verification. For this, you don't need a referral link or anything. Just go ahead and create an account on Bitget and complete your identity verification. Number two is visit the landing page. Just come to this page right here. I'll drop the link to this page right here in the description of this video so you can see it. So my referral link and the link to this page, both of them will be in the description of this video. And number three is trade at least $5 worth of any crypto asset and convert, spot, or futures to claim $3 in rewards. So these are the two ways you can join this promotion on Bitget. They are giving between $3 to $120 to every user. So that's all for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, I'll be doing a challenge using trading bots on Bitget to see how much we can possibly make. So if you're interested in that, turn on the notification bell on my channel and I'll see you in the next video.